welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be checking out Maribel's super cute jumpsuits and tracksuits and different stuff like that. They have loads of other stuff on their site. So let's check out the first one. All right, so they are two pieces. The bottom looks like this. This is a gray athleisure or workout outfit. High waist, as you can see, so really nice ribbing. You can just feel the quality of the fabric. But yeah, this ribbing over here is, you can see how that is gonna really, hold in your belly as you work out, which is great. Over here on the side, there is some beautiful detailing all the way down to the very, very end. And then here is how it ends, once again with a little ribbing. The whole thing is ribbed actually. And then over here, the detail on the thigh area. And then the front and back are literally just the same thing. As for the top, it's a long sleeve shirt, crop top. Same detailing over here on the arms as on the legs. Front and back, once again, same. And detail on the side as well for a little bit more ventilation and air as you're working out. So super, super cute. Can't wait to try these on. All right, so this is the top. Absolutely in love with this. It feels so good. This actually has a little thumb hole as well. Instead of wearing gloves, for where you work out, you can actually just use these, which is super bonus. Lots of breathing room on both sides. I mean, I feel like $1 million in this. Like it just feels so solid, so quality. Yeah, and I feel like, this is kind of this is gray, but in this lighting, it almost looks like gray blue. So this is the bottom. You can see that these stripes are right above the knee on both sides. And then the ribbing detail, you can see over here versus over here, this just goes straight down. So it's kind of like compression as well, versus over here, it doesn't have that ribbing, right? So it's a little bit more flexible. If you want to check out their store and everything that they have, make sure to check out the links below and it'll bring you directly to their store. You can check them out. And thank you so much for watching. If you want, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know which outfit you prefer and which one you like and which one why, all that good stuff. I want to hear your thoughts, so please comment. And for more product reviews, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.